the number one reason skinny guys leave 30% of their gains on the table? They are too scared to eat the one macronutrient that actually powers your biggest lifts. Bro culture told you carbs were the enemy of a lean body. But here is the truth: on a bulk, cutting carbs starves your muscles of fuel, tanking your performance and leaving new tissue simply unmade. Funny moment: picture someone trying to run a Ferrari on baking soda. That is your body doing a heavy leg day with zero glycogen. The car sputters, you sputter, and nobody wins. Carbs get stored as glycogen, the premium fuel for high-intensity effort. A 2026 systematic review published in Sports Medicine found lower carb diets blunted training adaptations compared to higher carb approaches during resistance training. Eating carbs before a workout raises total work output and keeps the muscle-building signaling pathways open. That is science, not opinion. Active gainers need 4 to 6 grams of carbs per kilogram of body weight daily. That is roughly 300 to 400 grams for a 90-pound ectomorph, not impossible, just intentional. Step 1. Set a carb floor of 3 grams per kilogram of body weight today. Rice, oats, potatoes, and pasta are your new best friends. Step 2. Eat 30 to 60 grams of carbs 60 to 90 minutes before your workout so your muscles are fully fueled. Step 3. Add 40 to 60 grams of carbs post-training with your protein to accelerate recovery and rebuilding. The myth says low carb is fine for getting jacked and lean. The truth: low carb bulking shortcuts your performance and recovery. A moderate to high carb intake supports your strength, your training volume, and real muscle growth, without piling on fat. Today you learned that carbs are not your enemy, they are your performance fuel. Hit your carb targets and watch your training transform. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, day 9, we cover healthy fats, the 9 calorie per gram secret weapon for packing size on without feeling stuffed.